Hello, this is Chris from Coastal Handmade Company, and I thought I'd show you how I oftentimes will secure the rails and stiles on a door. As you can see here, I have a bottom section of a Dutch door. Many times I just use the glue, I don't use lags. But on these particular doors, heavy as they are, and I want it to be basically bomb-proof. I don't want to have any separation over time and wear, so I will take a lag screw and connect the stile and the rail, and I'll drop a hole in here and I'll put it in like so. As you can see there like that. I'll do it here as well and at the bottom. Sometimes I'll do it on all four corners of the top as well. Sometimes I do it on sliding doors. It all kind of depends on what I'm trying to accomplish in the strength I need for that door. So with that, I'll go ahead, move my door around, put it into the clamp here on the workbench, and go ahead and kind of show you what I do. So on drilling these holes, the first thing I'll do is I'll take my 1-inch Forstner bit and drill a hole right down the middle of the side of the stile and drill that down about 1 inch. And after I've done that drill, I will take it out and generally replace it with the same size bit as the lag bolt going in. I just won't go as deep as that lag bolt, and I'll take this larger drill bit and then drill it all the way through, just like that. Once I get the holes drilled, I will then take the lag bolt, place it in the hole, use a socket driver, and set the lag in to the side of the door. Next part is the making of the plugs and then plugging up the hole. Okay, I've got my 1-inch plug cutter set up in the drill press, and I'm using the extra rails and stiles, the edges, to go ahead and make some plugs. So here we go. We're going to make some plugs. I need 4. I might make 6. Might make 8. Sometimes they break. So might get some smoke in the old drill bit. It's an old blade, the old drill bit, and probably needs to be sharpened or get a new one. But here we go. Well, as you can see, I've made about, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plugs in the piece of wood. Figure I'm not going to use it again, so I have a few extras. Sometimes they get messed up in the sawing process or whatever. So, all right, next we go to either the bandsaw or the table saw to cut them free. All right, now you see the piece of wood with all the plugs. We're going to go back to the table saw and hopefully cut out the plugs without too much problem. And there you have it. Some nicely freshly cut plugs for the holes in the door. Okay, so here we are back at the workbench. I thought I'd show you a quick picture of the 5/16 6-inch lag bolt with a 5/16 washer firmly set in the hole, and over here is the plug that we will put in just a moment. Okay, for this next section, I simply take a little glue, put it on the plug, wrap it around, try and line up the grain of the plug with the grain of the wood. It's real nice if you can get the same length of wood that you're using for the plug, it matches perfectly. Put it on in. Give it a couple taps, doesn't need to be crazy hard. And then wait about a day and cut it off, sand it smooth. And that'll Good morning, we're here back at the barn and we are going to cut the glued plug top off of the stile. Generally I always tape around the plug so as when I cut the plug top off, I prevent the teeth from cutting the wood on the side of the stile. And we'll go ahead and do that now and be right back. Okay, I've cut the plug top off and sanded it smooth. This gives you a better idea of what it looks like when it's finished. And you'll know you're complete with the task when you run your finger over it and it's good and smooth. Well, there you have it. The little task project has been completed on this lower section of the Dutch door. I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch it. I hope you get a better idea of my shop and what I do. And as a reminder, anytime anybody wants to come by and hang out, talk, relax, always more than welcome. Might not get any work done, but that's the point of coming by and saying hello. Thank you.